Some stuff I just wish I knew when I was starting out, or sometimes I wish I knew I had somebody to tell me all those things. And so many mistakes. Welcome back, guys. Today is all about three major mistakes, or three mistakes that we make. You possibly made them, I made them myself. And if you are a photographer carrying a camera here and there, you enjoy photography, you're snapping some shots here and there, you're a beginner, this video is for you. Because, like I said, when I was back then, I wish I had someone to tell me about those three little things that can dramatically improve your life and make your life a lot easier. So, mistake number one, delete in camera. Just don't do it. Don't delete in camera. Just never do that. Don't deliver it. Don't delete in camera. Can I say that again? Don't delete in camera. That LCD screen is not a very good representation of what the image really is. You know, you might look at it, oh yeah, that just looks so good, delete it. It's gone, done. There's no backup, there's no way to retrieve, it's gone, delete it, done. Have a look on your computer when you get home. Have a look on a laptop. When you get home, do it properly. Big screen, nice. It's impressive nowadays the amount of resources we have to recover bad images or images that were overexposed, underexposed, whatever the issue is. There's so many things that we can do to recover those images. So don't delete that in camera. Don't delete it. Just don't. Move on. Mistake number two. What was that? Memory card offload. So when you come back from that shoot, you have only one mission, only one thing you need to do is to get home, get that little memory card off your camera, put on your thing that takes the image off the memory card, and offload those images. There's nothing else more important to do besides getting those images off the memory card into your computer, into an external backup, into another external backup, into an off-site backup, into the cloud. Just get those images out of the memory card. Because what will happen is, next day you come back, take the memory card, slot back in your camera, take another few pictures, and then suddenly you have two shoots on your memory card. And then suddenly you think, oh, memory card here, formatted, done. There's no more images, it's gone. So get the images back into your computer, straight away. There's nothing else more important to do. Get the images offloaded from your memory card into your computer. Got it? Done. Mistake number three is just to assume that everything is in your bag. Yeah, I always put my bag over there, it's always ready, it's always set. You know, I was born like this. Pick up the bag, you go to the shoot. Suddenly, you unzip the bag, have a look. I forgot the batteries. Or I forgot the memory card. Or I forgot whatever. Just check it before you go. You have an assignment, unzip your bag, have a look if you have the right lenses, if you have the right camera, if you have the right lighting equipment, if you have whatever. Just make sure everything is there, because stuff gets put in different places. You do different shoots, you require different equipment. Suddenly you assume everything's there, but it's not. And then you get to the location, and it has happened to me. I got to the location and didn't have a memory card. And all I had to do was drive back home and pick up the memory card and drive back in, and luckily we still have time to do the shoot. But 3 little mistakes that I cannot stress enough. They are so easy to avoid and will make your life a lot easier. Don't delete the images in camera, offload those images when you get home, and check your bag. Check your bag before you leave. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Hope that helps your life and hope that improves your image. I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.